Purba Medinipur is the district situated in the lower floodplain of Hooghly, Rupnarayan and Kangsabati river. Bay of Bengal situated in the southern side of it. Monotonous flat low-lying plain is the main feature of the topography of this district. Paddy is the main cultivated crop here. Besides paddy cultivation, pisciculture is one of the main sources of economy in this district. The fisheries across the horizon make a huge change in the local physiography of this district. Jhils have become the shelter of various kinds of birds like ducks, heron, gull and cormorant, mainly in winter. In the month of May-June, after the fishing is over, abundant fisheries covered with tall grasses become the shelter of snipe, whistling duck, lesser adjutant and many other birds. 70% water birds of Purba Medinipur are migratory birds. Some of them come from western and central India, but most of them are the resident of Russia, Siberia, British Island and the northern European countries. When we talk about migratory birds, first the name comes in mind various kinds of colorful migratory ducks. Most of them come from the temperate region of Europe and Northern Asia. The colorful northern pintail, gardewal, common pochard, green wing-tailed, Eurasian pigeon are found in the deep water bodies. But common selduck, ruddy selduck, northern shoveler often found grazing in the shallow mud flat. A large number of migratory birds coming in Purba Medinipur are the waders. The mud flats, after the fishing, have become their grazing ground. They come here mainly from Russia, Japan, Mongolia and Northern Europe. With them, some local migratory birds also seen here. The most common wader in Purba Medinipur is the black wing-tailed. The black and white bird with long, thin, pink legs and needle-shaped bill are so majestic to look. They come from different parts of India. Since they have long legs, they can roam in relatively deep water. The scene of their food collection with long thin legs and long beak are really interesting. Another notable wader birds can commonly seen with them in the jhils are the pied avocet. They come from Northern Europe and Central Asia. The up-curved beaks easily distinguished it from others. The scenario of food collection with their up-curved bills is really awesome. A bird with a straight, long, sword-like beak is more common here. They are the black-tailed godwit. They come here from Northern Europe. Also, the grey-headed lapwing can be seen here. They come from Japan and Mongolia. Often gathered in large flock, When the water level decreases, a sparrow-shaped bird come here in large number. They are little stint and the Teminic stint. They come from the Scandinavian countries. It feels very captivating when they fly in groups. In the end of winter, a kind of golden colored bird often seen in the marshes, swamps and also in the dry grassland. They are the Pacific golden plover. They come from Siberia and Alaska region. These migratory birds make very sweet call as they fly. Apart from them, various kind of sandpipers, sand plovers, ringed plover, red shank, green shank and ruff are very familiar bird here. When the jhils get dry, it's seen a medium-sized bird with collared neck wandering in the field. They are the oriental pratincoll. Along with them, one of their close cousin found here, they are the small pratincoll. Seeing them from a distance, it seems someone spread dry leaves in the field. Purba Medinipur is the district of marshland and water bodies. So, here another notable bird not to mention is the cormorant. Three types of cormorant found here. Though the little cormorant is residential here, but great cormorant and the Indian cormorant come here in huge flocks, mainly in winter. Sometimes the trees are dying where they roost. If you are lucky enough, you can see oriental darter with them, which is relatively rare one. A dove-shaped bird with pointed wings is often seen here around the water bodies. They are whiskered tern. Occasionally, they jump into the water to catch small fishes. They are local migrants, come from different parts of India. A large kite-shaped bird is often seen floating in the jhils like a white ball. They are the Palaces gull. They fly here from far away Russia. Look-wise almost the same but slightly smaller than them, a bird found here, the black-headed gull. They come from the Ladakh plateau. Long-legged birds are very common in muddy wetlands. They migrate locally and come to different parts of this district. Grey heron, painted stork, glossy ibis, lesser adjutant are very common among them. Although wagtails are not the water birds in that sense, but they can be seen along wetland and muddy areas. Citrine wagtail and yellow wagtail are the most familiar here among wagtail family. Whenever the prey is, it's very common to see the predator here. The migratory raptors like Morse harrier, peregrine falcon, Eurasian hobby sometimes seen here with the waterbirds. We think that we, the human being, only do everything according to the date and time. Only we maintain the calendar. But if you notice the activities of these migrants, you will be just surprised. They also follow a certain timetable. Maybe that depends on the increase and decrease of day and night, or the rise and fall of temperature. Despite of so many obstacles along their way, they travel thousands of miles and return to the same place every year. It's really amazing.